Good day, everybody. So today we're doing some questions, ne? But this one is now about what a future value, right? But today the main thing I want us to calculate it is what the value of X, which is the monthly installment. But now basically you're gonna be learning on how the questions on sinking fund are asked. You understand? So now check here. I wanna tell you something. They are saying a company purchases a new vehicle for 200,000. The vehicle is expected to depreciate at a rate of 24% per annum on a reducing balance. So now you know that they're talking about what? The formula for what? Reducing balance, which is equals to P minus 1 minus, because it is depreciating. And then it is expected that the vehicle will have to be replaced after 5 years. A sinking fund is set up for this purpose. If the replacement cost of the vehicle increases by that compounded annually, calculate what the value of the current vehicle after 5 years. Basically, they want what the depreciated amount of that car after 5 years, right? So now let's go. It will be what? It is equals to P 1 minus I to the power of N. This one is simple. The principal amount 200,000, 1 minus, I was given the interest rate, which is 24%, which is the same as 0.24, or it was compounded annually, which is the same as divided by 1. You can write it, but I'm not gonna write it, within a period of what? 5 years. And then here I'll get what? Rents, please. 50,000 710, 51 cent. Yeah, this is the amount that I will the vehicle will be costing. Number 2, the cost of a new vehicle after 5 years. So now they're talking about what? A brand new car. So now you'll be using what? Compound interest, so that you know what, okay, what will be the brand new car costing. So Lana still 200,000, because they've already opened the what? A sinking fund. Remember what I said about the sinking fund? If you don't know, you don't understand it, there's a video about sinking fund there. So as you can see there, it is what? 18%. If the replacement of the cost increases by what? 18%. So you're simply gonna write what? 0.18 there, because it was also compounded annually. 5 years now, and this is what the cost. It is gonna be 457,551.55 cents. This is now what? Depreciated value, a brand new what? A brand new. This is the depreciated value. Then this is the brand new what? Amount, the amount of a brand new car. The second last question, it says sinking fund value. Now this one is simple. Remember, sinking fund, it is what? Cost of new vehicle minus what? Scrap value. So what is the cost of a new vehicle? It is what? 457,551.55 minus the scrap value, which is what? 50,170.51. And what are you getting there? Please put your rents there. What are you getting? 406,841.04. This is how they answer your questions on sinking fund. They will ask the appreciated amount or depreciated amount, the two. After that, they will ask what? The sinking fund there. Now the main story of the day, it is what? The monthly installment. The next question wants what? The monthly installment. If the interest rate, it is what? 15% compounded monthly. So now let's go. I will have my future value formula there. You know it, right? That's how it is. What is the amount that I'm expected to have? What is the amount that this guy is expected to have after 5 years? It is this amount there. So I'm simply gonna write it. they want the value of x. 1 plus 0 comma 15, because they told me over 12. What is 12 times 5? It is 60 minus 1 over 0 comma 15 over 12. You see, now the main thing that we will have to do, remember, if you have something like 4x plus 1 over x is equals to 4, since you have a fraction, to remove the fraction, you do what? You multiply by the denominator. So it is the same thing here. So we're going to multiply everything by what? 0 0.15 over 12, because I know that this one will cancel that one. So now please, in finance, don't simplify your answer before everything. Simply write everything just like this. Don't find an answer for this one. So it is 406,841,04 multiplied by 0 0.15 over 12, because remember I was multiplying both sides by this one and it. So that side I'm left with x, and then 1 plus I, 1 plus what? 0 0.15, sorry, over 12 to the power of 60 minus 1. This is fine. So now, since it is like this, I'm allowed to divide both sides by what? By that amount there. So therefore my x, it is equals to what? 406,841 times 0 0.15 over 12 divided by, you see, I'm making what? Two brackets, 1 plus 0 0.15 over 12 to the power of what? 60 minus 1. Never, the way it is there, because I'm left, I don't have any space there. And then the answer that you will get, it will be what? 4,593,21. This is the monthly installment. This is the amount that the guy must save, or he must put in the sinking fund every month to do what? To get this amount in the future. So now a question, we are required to calculate the amount of the current vehicle after 5 years. This is the what? The scrap value. It is depreciated, right? The second question, they asked us to calculate the amount of what? Of a brand new car. So it is what? New cost. Yeah, and then the third question, they asked us to calculate what? The sinking fund. Remember, sinking fund, it is what? New vehicle minus scrap value. So this is the what? New vehicle scrap value comes there. Yeah, so this is the amount that this guy is expected to have, where in the future he must save this money each and every month. And then here we have calculated what? The monthly installment. This is the amount that this guy must save each and every month towards the sinking fund, so that he can do what? Add up to this one, so that he can get what? This amount. And obviously you know that he will add this one and that one, so that he can do what? To buy a brand new car. I hope it is clear, guys. And this is how you calculate your future value. Since you have your formula there, the first thing that you do, you multiply by the denominator both sides, as you can see there, to remove what? The fraction. So I'll have 406,841 and 0.4 cents multiplied by the 0.15 over 12 equals to x, and that thing there. So since it is like this, I'm allowed to divide both sides by what? By the whole expression there, whereby I will have 4, that amount divided by the whole expression. Then I'll get what? My amount there that I have. Yeah, I hope it is clear, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed, because this is very, very important, because you don't have to make any mistake. Simply punch everything on your calculator as it is, so that you don't make any mistake. Because sometimes if you punch this thing, it will give you from a 2 comma number money. Then if you make one mistake and leave out one number, it's chai, you see. So you don't want you to make such mistakes. Okay, so thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed.